Hey, it's the Typical Route with super mega awesome special guest star Saturdays. I didn't make a sign. Instead I made pipe cleaner letters. The Typical Route. Anyways, this is the Typical Route, and I have an awesome special guest star. Last week you saw I had Valerie, and she was a really good singer, but the audio was a little off the video. This time, not only do you get a really good singer, who's also a songwriter, but she also has the audio synced with the video. So anyways, I hope you all really enjoy her, and this is Julia.
Hi, my name is Julia, and I just want to make a disclaimer before I start this that I'm not a singer, but today I am going to be singing. I don't consider myself a singer, but I do kind of like doing it. And today I'm going to be singing It Will Rain because my friend asked me to do this, and it's a Saturday night. I'm kind of a loser, so realistically I'd be doing this anyways. And I hope you like it, but if you don't, I completely understand. So I'm just going to start. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it would take a lot of medication to realize what we used to have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me. Sacrifices I make it. Keep you by my side, walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you are great. Every day it'll rain, 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 hey, hey. Never be your mother's favorite. Time you can't look me in the eye. I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. So there goes my little troublesome guy, but they're just afraid of something they don't understand. Little man watch me change their mind. 'Cause for you I'll try, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try.
Wow, she was really good. Anyway, if you like this video and want to see more of it, remember to comment, subscribe, and like. See you around!